accompanied by the MDC of Sohryngkham constituency, PYNIAID SYIEM, and members of the DORBAR SHNONG Sohryngkham, Meghalaya Health Minister James P.K. SANGMA on 24th September had conducted a joint inspection of the Sohryngkham Sub-Health Centre for its upgradation into a public health centre. An inspection was also made of the office of the DHS at Sohryngkham, where the PHC would be constructed. During his visit, James Sangma reminded the public that Sohryngkham holds the status of the largest village in Asia, and with the MDA government's focus on health, the upgradation of the sub-health center to a PHC would be the government's top priority.
This demand for upgradation of the present sub-center to primary health center is a very long pending demand. It came out in the year 2005. Subsequent to that, the village and the Dorbar and the citizens of this area, they donated a plot of land measuring roughly around 5 acres plus for the purpose of this construction of Sohryngkham PHC. It has been considerable time since the proposal was first given in the year 2005 to the time when the land was donated to the government in 2008, and today in the year 2021 this PHC has still not seen the light of day. It is, we feel as a government, after having seen the infrastructure that is there for Sohryngkham, which incidentally happens to be the largest village in Asia, the health infrastructure for it is confined within a space of roughly around 1000 square feet, which is a very small building. And although the staff there, the health department staff there, are really working hard to, despite the kind of constraint in space, but the need of the hour is that to cater to a population the size of Sohryngkham, being the largest village in Asia, the health infrastructure has to also grow in proportion to the kind of population there is. And therefore this proposal is lying with the government, and I'm very happy to state that we are very keen, and we're very sincere about ensuring that this upgradation of sub-center to PHC, since the matter is pending with the government now, will be expedited at the earliest, and we are hopeful that we will be able to, after the sanction from the government, start work very soon.